Hello, welcome to my channel, Supercar Sunday. So I'm just bringing you another quick update on the BMW e30. So as you can see, I've got the doors painted now, and the door handles are on. The front end's built up. So the paintwork does need a good flat off and a polish. That's something I'll do a bit later on when I get a bit more progress done on other jobs that need doing that take more priority. So the gaps on the wing to bonnet gaps, I'm not sure how wide they are on these cars. Something I'll have to take a look at, but to me that gap's way too wide. It needs re-gapping. I'm having a few problems because these are actually aftermarket wings. So if you've been following the channel, and you can remember I repaired the bottom of the wings. So they were all absolutely rotten. I cleaned them all up, cut the old metal out, and I welded fresh metal in. So I also didn't have a bracket for the bonnet stay on the car. It actually didn't have a bonnet stay either. So I bought a new bonnet stay off eBay, and I've welded a bracket in there. I've made a bracket and I've welded it in. I'll just go around the other side and I'll show you. So I made a bracket there last night and I've welded it in, just tacked it in. And I'll clean the area up and I'll seal that, and then I'll paint that later on today. So I just nut and bolted that on there with some washers, and I put some copper grease on it. I've got some under bonnet sound deadening to go under there as well, but I need some spray glue to get that to stick on because it's not very good. The stuff I've got, I've cut it on, I fitted it on, and it's come off. I'm probably gonna have to clean this up a bit more as well. So I've actually put this on the car as well. It's like an earth cutoff switch. So you basically wind it down and it connects the contacts. You wind it out and it's no longer contacted. So I put that on there. I don't really want to, I don't fancy leaving this car live all the time, to be honest. With the electrical problems that they have, I don't want to risk it going up in smoke. Still got a lot of wiring with the car to clean up. I don't want to take any risks with it. So when I'm not using the car, I'd rather just have that undone, and then nothing's live. Obviously the top end of the engine was rebuilt. You can see that in my other videos. The head was removed, all the top end was stripped down, it was skimmed, pressure tested, and it was rebuilt back up. So I've now fit a K&N induction kit on there. So I bought that off eBay. So you get like a bracket that mounts onto here. And obviously it holds the unit in place. I put silicone hoses on it. You see that in my other videos. That block there, it's got a thermostat switch in it for the fan, because I put an electric fan on it rather than the mechanical viscous fan that it had originally fitted. So it's now on an electric fan as well. That's the relay that I've just put there for now for the fan. Don't know if you've seen the shorts video I put on, but I bought a Scorpion exhaust system. So this is a centre pipe, and the back box is here. So something I wasn't really very happy about was paying the money I paid for it. They're not very good quality, these bands that hold the back box on. for what you're paying, you'd expect something to have better welds than that. Just in general to be made a bit better. I don't know. So I've just been down NPA, local motor factors, and I've just got some gaskets for the to fit the centre section. Also in the post, an aerial come, again off eBay. So that's going to go on the back here. And while we're down the back end of the car as well, you can see I painted all the boot out with some bed liner, like Raptor. It's all wet in there at the moment, unfortunately. I've had this car outside with just a cover on, and it seems to keep getting wet inside it. It's probably condensation. So I'm going to get the boot lid painted today, and I'm going to get that fitted on. Also, while I'm down the back end of the car, I've got the back lights in. So I'd lost the gaskets for one of the lights, but obviously we're working on a lot of cars from a young age, mainly 80s cars, 90s cars in the garage. A lot of them they used to just have this stuff holding lights in. So I bought a roll of that, and I've like gone round the inside of the light and I've mounted it in with that, sealed it in with that, so it's spot on. So that's the recent progress on the e30 project. Next job, I'll be fitting this exhaust. Feel free to subscribe to see the next video. Thanks for watching.